Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 20 adverbs of our English grammar book. So first of all, what are adverbs? The adverbs are those words which tell us how, where and when an action is done. वो वर्ड्स जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि कोई भी काम कब, कैसे और कहाँ किया गया है. Those words are called adverbs. You can look here some examples. The first one is the baby is crying loudly. So if we want to frame a question, we can ask how is the baby crying? So our answer will be loudly. So the word loudly is an adverb. The second sentence, they are talking softly. So we can frame a question, how are they talking? So our answer will be softly. They are talking softly. So softly, this word is an adverb. Now the next one, the car is running fast. How is the car running? The car is running fast. So this word is an adverb. These three words are adverbs. Now come to exercise A. Underline the how adverbs in these sentences. In these sentences you have to underline those words which tell us how the action is done. So sentence number 1, Rahul clapped happily. How did Rahul clap? Happily. So this word is an adverb. In the same way, the next sentence, I drive carefully. How do I drive? Carefully. So this word is also an adverb. In the same way, we will do this exercise. Now the next one, those words which tell us where the actions have taken place. Those words are also adverbs. You can look here. Where is Meera playing? Okay. Here are some examples. You can look here in your book. Meena is playing there. So, where is Meena playing? Meena is playing there. This word tells us where is Meena playing. So, this is an adverb. Now, the next example, the bird is flying above. So, where is the bird flying? Above. This word also tells us the place. So this is an adverb. Now come to exercise B. Underline the where adverbs in these sentences. You have to underline those words which tell us where the actions have taken place. Sentence number 1, Mohan is playing outside. So this word outside, it tells us where is Mohan playing. Mohan is playing outside. So this is an adverb. In the same way, the next sentence, Jyoti is standing there. Where is Jyoti standing? Jyoti is standing there. So this word is also an adverb. In the same way, you have to do this exercise. Now the next one. There are some more examples. Tarun is present in the class today. So the word today, this word tells us when an action is done. Okay, so this is an adverb. The birds are flying now. When are the birds flying? This word also tells us when the action has taken place. So this is an adverb. Now come to exercise C. Underline the when adverbs in these sentences. Number 1, we met him yesterday. So in this sentence, yesterday word tells us when did we meet him. So our answer is yesterday. So this is an adverb. In the same way, it is sunny today. So this word also tells us when is the day sunny. So this is an adverb. In the same way, we will do this exercise. Now come to exercise D. Underline the how adverbs in green color, when adverbs in blue, and where adverbs in pink in the following paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to underline the adverbs and tell about their category. To which category do they belong? And their categories are how, where, and when. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with how adverbs from the box. You have been given some sentences and you have to select the word from this help box and write in the blank space. Now turn over the page. This is your exercise. You have to fill these blanks with the help of help box. Now the next exercise, fill in the blanks with where adverbs from the box. In this exercise also you have been given a help box and you have to write the proper word from this help box in these blanks. Now the next exercise, fill in the blanks with when adverbs from the box. In this exercise also you have been given this help box and you have to write the appropriate word here in these blanks. Okay. Now the next exercise, tick the correct adverbs given in brackets. In this exercise you have been given two words in a bracket and you have to select the correct word. For example, number 1, please read the story dash carefully or carelessly. So the right answer is carefully. The next one, I will meet you dash curiously or soon. So the right answer is soon. In the same way we will do this exercise. Now I hope that all of you must have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.